everybody, it's Federico here from Spotahome. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful house with one bedroom. This house is very well connected because you can arrive in 10 minutes on foot to a bus stop. I can easily bring you to terminus station. You can easily find everything you need for your daily life in this area. And this house has a very big balcony. It's a very nice place. Let me introduce you to it. Okay, at the moment we're in the living area. You can see this is the main door of the property that goes to the balcony. Here we have the living room, and you can go to the kitchen through the door. We have the bedroom here, and you can find here this very cozy sofa with this TV. There is this very big and cozy armchair. There's a fan. You can find some shelves, pieces of furniture here. You have more shelves here, compartment above, a small window. You have this chest of drawers with a lot of drawers, as you can see. There's a chair here, and yeah, so libraries 1 and 2. The electric station is right here. Let me show you the bedrooms first. So as you can see, you have a few steps here. Then through this opening, you arrive to the bedroom. Yeah, you can find here this big double bed. There is a huge TV in front of it. This piece of furniture right here. This fixed window. It goes to the balcony. Chair 1 and 2. Then you have 1 and 2 bedside tables with a shelving here and a radiator right there. Remote for the TV is here. You have some drawers. 1, 2, and 2 more on the other bedside table. Here you can find this chest of drawers with 1, 2, and 3 drawers. We have this mirror here. This is a door. You can open it, and you have the closet room. It's a very nice one. You have this piece of furniture. The iron is here. You have this wardrobe. There's some stuff, but most will go away. You have here some bed linens. You have a small window here and the bathroom. You can see we have here the sink. There is this mirror here, a small trash can down there. We have a big shower here. You can take a seat right there. There is this small window, the toilet, a radiator here, the bidet. We can move back to the kitchen. You have a few more steps here. You can see here you can find this closet. There are some clothes at the moment. All of this will go away. You have another compartment above. And you can find here a radiator on the right. This is the kitchen area. It's a very spacious one, very big. You have the vacuum here. And here you can find some compartment storages. You can find here this piece of furniture, glass one, with some pots inside, kitchen utensils, some towels down there, some dishes here. Dishes and cups, more dishes down there. Some glasses here. Then you have a table here with a chair. This piece of furniture with some drawers, 2, 3, and 4. A coffee machine. This bread toaster here. There's a clock right there. Another chair. This fridge with a freezer. Here, yeah, a trash can right there. There's a compartment here with more dishes and glasses and cups. Some more glasses here, some kitchen utensils right there, a double sink, a window that goes to the balcony. You have 4 cookers here, a oven, as you can see. Some compartments down here. The washing machine for laundry is right there. A microwave here, kitchen utensils right there. This is a dishwasher. And this compartment here. This is the boiler for hot water of the house. Some drawers with cat trays. Some kitchen utensils here. More kitchen utensils right there, and we can move outside so I can show you the beautiful terrace. There is a very nice view with a lot of green. So you have this first space with the separate that goes to a bigger one. You have a chair here, the broom, the mop right here, as you can see. Clothesline, some of the stuff will go away. Under this, you have a big table. Let me see if I can show you. It's a beautiful wooden table. Yeah. What's rainy these days, that's why there is this on it. Let's have a quick look. This is a very big balcony. Very beautiful view. And you have one and two benches. You can move here. Yeah, table with two chairs. On the other side, find some more space, a table here, and a sink right there. And that's it. Okay guys, so for this house more or less is everything. Like you can see, the balcony is very big and you can easily set up a very nice situation here, and the house is simply amazing. Don't hesitate to contact us on Spotahome for further information. Take care, ciao!